that will protect a spaceship and astronauts on a 60-day mission. 600-day mission. We built a model of a spaceship, the Orion. Following, we will present you how each of the main parts work.
The solid rocket boosters work alongside the first stage to boost the rockets into the upper atmosphere. As soon as they run out of fuel, they are discarded into the ocean.
The first stage continues to carry the rocket until it reaches space. It is then the second stage ignites and goes towards Mars.
The second stage uses all its fuel to make its way near Mars's orbit. Then it drops into space, and the second stage brings the spacecraft into the actual orbit of Mars. The third stage is trashed into the atmosphere of Mars. The third stage is trashed. Anyways, and then the command module, it falls The command module falls after the third stage into the Martian atmosphere. Then it deploys a parachute and it drifts onto the landing zone. And the crew will perform all of the necessary tests. We built this rocket we first used these, what do you call them?
Zip ties.
Zippies, whatever. Zippies. To tie two of these drinking water bottles, to V8, low sodium vegetable juice. Okay, a vegetable juice can for the first stage and the rocket boosters. Then we attached a foam cup and some cardstock for the second stage. There's a water bottle in here to simulate the fuel tanks inside. We covered this. It's not covered because it's going to be discarded. Like the most time it can take.
The astronaut sits.
Yeah, and it will be discarded after 30 minutes after launch, so it doesn't really need any shielding. And then we covered this with another layer of cardstock, which we decorated, and we covered this with regular paper, 2 layers or so. And then for this, we did a foam cup. There used to be a bottle in here for the fuel tanks and the rocket boosters, but it was, a bit too big. So for the presentation, we didn't bring it. And for this, we covered it with foam. Oh, I'll show you the parachute in a bit. We covered this there's another layer of foam, and on it we put tinfoil since it reflects light totally. So none of the radiation could get past. Oh, parachute. Honors.
Yay! Good job, guys.